Welcome to a price action strategy trading binary options. This topic is brought to you by binaryoptions.net.au. Price action, defined as the movement of price over time, is often analyzed by traders in retrospect to recent price changes. Used as a trading technique that allows a trader to evaluate the market and make subjective trading decisions based on the recent and actual price movements rather than relying solely on technical indicators. Price action characterizes an asset's price movements. To adopt a price action strategy, a binary options trader will consider historical data and past price movements, including trend lines, price bands, swing highs and lows, levels of support, resistance, and consolidation, including price patterns such as breakouts, volatility, and reversals. Most suited to short to medium-term trading, price action strategies most often use support and resistance levels as a basis of the strategy in combination with price and candle patterns. Techniques such as trading with or against the trend, as well as identifying whole numbers and old trading levels, can also formulate a price action strategy. Price action strategies can be categorized as counter-trend, trend-following, or breakout. Counter-trend binary option strategies are based on rebounds from support and resistance levels or key reference points. Generally used by swing traders, a counter-trend strategy assumes that a current price action trend will stop and reverse, and when it does, attempts to profit from that reversal. To identify key price action reference points, binary traders will engage technical tools such as Fibonacci retracement patterns, moving average, pivots and/or Bollinger Bands, as well as whole numbers and old trading high-low levels to signal reversal points. Also known as a round number strategy, trading double zeros is a highly effective price action strategy, and binary option traders of this strategy are able to effectively trade in the money. Considered to be a natural level of support and resistance, round numbers on price charts such as Australian US dollar parity and Dow Jones 17,000 are considered physiological barriers to traders whereby prices tend to bounce and reverse. Research suggests increased price activity occurring at double zero levels typically occurs because of a natural human tendency to gravitate to numbers that are a factor of 10 and therefore cluster entry and exit orders around round number or double zero levels. As a consequence, increased buying or selling activity at double zero levels means buyers or sellers outnumber the counter trade and consequently price rapidly rises or falls. A binary options double zero strategy can be applied to any tradable asset which exhibits moderate price action volatility. However, Forex markets are considered those with the highest probable outcome. To identify a high probability setup, in the first instance, a trader should scan the market for prices currently trading at or close to double zero lines. Once the identified market approaches double zero, a natural support and/or resistance levels is formed and a trade setup is signaled. On the downside, when price action levels reflect or bounce off a double zero level, a pin bar, large wick, and small body is created. Acting as a naturally occurring level of support, a call trade is placed on the open of the following candle in anticipation of a bullish price reversal to the upside. Conversely, when price action levels bounce or reflect off a double zero level, a pin bar is created. Acting as a naturally occurring level of resistance, a put trade is placed on the open of the following candle in anticipation of a bearish reversal to the downside. For price action binary traders, the reversal signals are confirmed on the upside and downside trade by the long wick on the bullish and bearish pin bars. Further, for a high probability setup, a binary options trader should execute the strategy only on the first bounce off of the double zero support or resistance level. This is because it is usually the strongest reversal and most profitable bounce. Further, the level of orders is insufficient to affect the support or resistance level, that level will eventually break. For more information about this topic and more binary option trading strategies, please visit binaryoptions.net.au.